tonight. Good luck, guys. Whoa, 10X on crazy time. 10X, 10X from the top slot. Oh my days. Okay, we got some double action as well.
To multiply everything by 10. Woo!
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
That's a bonus. Third cash hunt, guys. Third cash hunt of this session. Wow. So 100x max, but with a top slot, gonna be 500x max. Oh, look at that board. Look at that board. Let's go. Numbers. Guys, we hide everything. We shuffle everything around. One pick we got. One pick. Hip, hip, hooray. Okay, do your thing. Big money on the line. Do your thing, guys. Pick a symbol. Or auto pick, of course, if you want to go that way. Ready?
This is the amount of money issued 434,730 for euros.
Wow, okay. Who's got what? 224 of you got 500x. 2,100 of you got 250x. And over 11,000 total winners. Sheesh. Congratulations. Hope you picked well. Thank you all. And back in action. Thank you.
Top 3 wins bidding time, all yours. Adam. Hey. Now talk about. So there's the bam bam. 100x is the one. Yeah. That's a good one. Are you ready? Here's where you're gonna puke. You're gonna do now. Decision time. Only one pick. Out or pick. Final second. 6-9. The Jokers had an Aline again.
This is the amount of money issued 356,012 euros.
Wow. Congratulations.
Energy. No, we need bonus. I could be on the floor here, but if the bonus comes, it's still a good time. Crazy time 5x. Crazy time 5x. Woo! Crazy time 5x top slot. Let's go. Speaking of bonuses, how about this one? Five times champs. Let's go with the top slot. Let's do this. Ladies and gentlemen, we multiply all the numbers 5 times on this wheel. Are you kidding me? Yes. Yes is the answer. Wow, mice. Okay, guys, before we spin, choose your destiny. Choose your team, choose your color, choose your arrow, green, blue, yellow. Oh, this is gonna be an important choice. I go green, color of the dollar, 500x max. Boom. Energy! Whoa, we got a double on the green. 125x on blue and yellow and green spins again. My team, let's go. That's crazy. Well, that's crazy time, actually. Guys, 1000x max for you, green squad.
This is the amount of money issued 1,052,286 euros.
50x. Ka-ching!
Imagine you wake up and your kid is just staring at you in the middle of the night. Good luck, guys. Whoa, 10x on crazy time. I would be deeply scarred as a parent. I would be very concerned. Stop it. Woo-hoo-hoo! Ladies and gentlemen, crazy time. And 10x from the top slot. Oh yeah, let's go. This is it. This is it. Heyo, welcome to the crazy world, guys. Oh my days. Woo, this could be juicy, guys. We got 10x from the top slot. Oh my days. Okay, we got some double action as well. Well, choose a flapper, green, blue, yellow situation. You can leave it to auto pick, guys, as you wish. Are you ready? Guys, we got 1000x up there. Boom! Good luck to you. Enjoy.
This is the amount of money issued 1,269,447 euros.
Alrighty then. 150x for blue, 200x for green, 250x for the yellow. Congratulations. Well done, everybody. 13,831 winner. Nice job. Thank you for playing. Last seconds left to place your bets again. You didn't kick your heel. No more bets. Is that like for good luck or what? Good luck, guys.
515x. Last seconds, everybody. Last place. Come on. Have 10x. On crazy time. Maybe it's gonna stop there. Baba Booey! Crazy time with 10x on top of it. Finally, it looks something good. It's about time. Come on. Hey ho! Are you ready? Welcome back. Come on, legend. You know you need to choose your color yourself. Some multipliers have been placed. It's time to multiply everything by 10. Woo! Oh, right. Look at that. So come on. Choose that flapper, green, blue, yellow. Which one are you choosing, ladies and I see somebody choose green, somebody choose yellow, somebody choose blue. Up to you, ladies and last 2 seconds left. And our max multiplier is 10,000x. Let's go and good luck. $204 green and yellow. Blue gets a double. Wait, that means 20. Okay, let's go.
This is the amount of money issued 55,196 euros.
And that's 400x, so 200, 400, 200. Congratulations. Ladies and 21 of you have won. Alright, but still open. Let's go. Yeah, let's get into it. Let's do it. Let's close. So yeah, welcome new players, newcomers. Welcome to Crazy, super crazy out here. Yeah, so let's do a good spinner, alright? Now we got in the TOPSLOT cash hand with 3x multiplier. Come on. Yay, look at that. Finally, a bonus for us. Let's go to the cash hand with 3x multiplier. Yeah, so let's go hunting, baby. Alright, this is a cash hunt for us. So yeah, let's triple all those multipliers up. Yay, look at that, how beautiful. Now, wow, max multiplier 1,500x. What a multiplier. 1,500. Wow, just wow. Alright, yeah, and now it's time to make a decision. To pick the symbol that you think will have that max multiplier, of course. Don't forget about auto-pick option. The system could pick for you automatically if you don't want to choose. And now 3, 2, 1, ta-da!
This is the amount of money issued 19,777 euros.
That's 1,500x. Looks so good. Alright, so congrats to the winners and to Honda, Sasha, Bawan for being top 3 winners of this round. So the players, are you happy with the multiplier that you got? What?
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.